guys, today we're going to be doing a YouTube video. It's called Play-Doh, and we're going to show us our stuff. Let's open it up. Here we have this color.
I have this color, pink. I really love pink.
Okay, all of the stuff is out. Let's get started making some foods. Let's get started. Scoot over. Okay, I'm going to use the scooper to scoop out some ices. I'll put it in there. Oh, my sister needs help. We need to help her. Here you go, baby. Now I'm going to scoopy some ice cream. Scoop just, and now I'm going to roll it in the pan. Roll it. Drop it. Now I'm going to get some out. Now, I'm going to roll it like this. So I'm going to roll it like this. Now I'm going to put it right here. Okay, this is how it looks because I'm like putting it on the sides. So you know how like a cone could have like on the sides? Well, probably
Do you know how like a cone like this?
I don't know if like they make it like that, but I just want to do however I want to do it. And this is my little sister. She's really cute. And we made a video of lipsticks, and you guys saw how cute she was and how we were saying, "Oh, that's so cute," and my sister's so cute, and everyone wants to have her. Yeah, we just said that. Now it's off of the thing. Now I'm gonna cut it with my fake Play-Doh knife. Just cut it in half. It didn't come with this. I'm just using it for that.
Honey.
And we loved making. Now I'm going to have it in little bits of pieces. I'm going to get this part and I'm just going to squish it down and I'm going to make scoopy sprinkles. And it'll be really easy because like I know I did before. I'm going to squish it down and make sprinkles. Sprinkles. Now when I get that touchy, you just want to like what? Yeah, and like I know like some of you guys love Play-Doh, and it's okay if you guys don't, and just don't watch your video. But I want to get a lot of likes, so please. So please like a video. I'm gonna get 1,000 likes, and please subscribe down low before you like start. Please subscribe down low, please. After you're done watching this video, or you can subscribe it when you're watching it. So I'm gonna put a cherry, and this is how the cherry looks like. If you guys can't really see it, but it's like a cherry. And my sister here is making like lines from the down part, and if you want to use the knife, you can. Yeah. And here's how she looked. Can you like scoot over here so you can see yourself? There you go. And like that's her face, and like I'm gonna land that in. Now I'm gonna take pink just a little, okay? And I'm gonna
take this a little.
Pink, okay. And I'm gonna go pink, and I'm gonna make a pink cherry. But I'm not gonna put it inside because I don't want to mix it up. Okay, you guys might want to mix it up if you want to, but I'm not. So it's like, hey, you still have pink in there. Take it out. It's okay.
I'm fine.
You mix it up. It's okay. I'm not gonna get mad. Now, I'm just gonna take this color and like.
I want to put it back in. This is fun.
And then like this is fun. Now I'm gonna take it out like this, and now I'm gonna just land it in and drop that one right here. Now I'm gonna drop this one right here, and then I'm gonna scoop this one out.
So
now I'm gonna make an edge like again, and then I'm gonna use this knifey knife, and I'm using it though. I'm gonna just cutting it out. And then I'm gonna make little strips like these. Well, it's good to make little strips. Then I'm gonna just land one on the side and another on the side. When you get these strips, you want to roll it into a dot like this. Then you're gonna get your Play-Doh top, and then you're gonna squish it down. Make sure you squish it down.
I don't mix the pink together.
Then it's gonna be just keep on pushing. You could use your knife and do this part and just push it down. Just keep on pushing. And push. Then when you see this part, you could like cut a piece of it out like this. Just cut this piece. Okay, so just cut this piece out. Now, my sister here is doing something. I don't know what she's doing. And then
me.
here's a cookie. Okay, now I'm gonna make a Shopkin right now, so that's all better be ready. I know a lot of you guys love Shopkins, so I'm just gonna make one.
I'm so big. I'm gonna make this big. Guys,
okay, now I'm gonna squish it out. Now I'm gonna get this piece. Get this piece, and I'm just gonna do this. Now I'm gonna flatten it out.
There we go.
I'm just gonna go draw a cookie.
Then
It's my note. Okay, I'm actually not doing cookie. This is how something of this looks. Now I'm gonna put it on top. Bye guys. See you in the next video. Comment down below and make sure you comment down below, please, and subscribe and give me a lot of likes, please, guys. Bye.
Bye.